Hey Fit Fam, welcome to episode 5 of our 5-minute meal preps. Today we're going to do a cold adult lunchbox or Lunchable. It's been hot outside. The heat index has been over 100 degrees and I can't take the heat, but I gotta stay in the kitchen, so I'm gonna keep the heat out of the kitchen, if you know what I mean. So today we're going to utilize the mini cucumbers, sweet peppers, cherries, salmon jerky, olives, and maybe some pickled okra. So I'm choosing not to slice my cucumbers because I don't know about you guys, but for me, when you slice them, by the end of the week, they become old and slimy. I did slice my sweet peppers and put about a handful of cherries as well as sugar snap peas. So I am going to replace those pickled okras with the sugar snap peas that I forgot to mention. Those are my all-time favorites. Call me weird, call it rabbit food, but at these extreme heats, I'm telling you guys, this hits the spot. A little fresh summer vibe as well. So I'm going to add a little saltiness to our Lunchable with about 5 olives. Of course, you guys, you gotta count these out because they're high in fat, high in sodium, so you can't just put as many as you want here. So far we have the dark cherries, the olives, sweet peppers, mini cucumbers, sugar snap peas, and I'm going to add some crackers and also hummus. These little containers are great for measuring out your healthy fats. I'll put a link to those where you can purchase those off Amazon and get a whole set for protein, veggies, and healthy fats and dressings. So I got these crackers from Sprouts. I know these might not be your thing, being seaweed crackers, but I also got another type called rosemary, so they're not black. You can also choose to use whatever your favorite crackers that you would like to have with the hummus and the rest of your Lunchable. Is about 15 grams of protein, lots of fiber, lots of vitamin C. Hope you guys enjoy this adult 5-minute Lunchable, and I hope it helps keep you cool. As a bonus, I did a breakfast one. I don't know how many of you guys have had the protein box from Starbucks, but it's one of my favorites. It consists of a muesli round, boiled egg, cheese, grapes, and apple slices. So I created this one as a replica of the one from Starbucks, and I'm going to throw some yogurt in there. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell for notifications of my videos.